Alright guys, time to see what we're waking up to because there's supposed to be a storm coming this morning. And I'm ready to see what's outside because we have to go pick up our load now. So let's see what's going on out there. Wait. Okay, it's snowing hard.
Is this ice or not?
It's snowing a lot. Hold on. Now you can see better. No, it's snowing. Snowing. Oh wow, this is gonna be fun. This should be fun. Yep. I hope this snow comes off with the windshield wipers because I do not have the time to be going out there to clean it. So please come off. Oh god. Yes. I don't know if I vlogged it last time I did it, or I don't remember if it was on Instagram or something, but last time it was not a success. The wipers got stuck like up here. There was so much snow. It was so bad. But anyway, I guess I literally just woke up. I guess I'll try to go pick up the load, but this doesn't look like we're gonna get very far. But just to make everybody happy, we're gonna go pick up the load and start going. So yeah. It's crazy out here. I went in to get some coffee and stuff. I literally came to park at the front because I'm like, I'm not about to walk all that far. So you guys gotta wish me luck because we are back in action in this snowstorms. But I'm not gonna lie, the coffee is bomb.com. I was confused a lot because I thought I was at Pilot the whole time and I was like, where the hell is everything? But Love's got it going on.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed.
Wow, the floor is slippery, guys. Woo! I'm trying not to let my feet fall out from under me. But anyway, so I'm walking up to the shipping office. It's not Amazon, nothing like that. It's a small place. So I'm not gonna show you guys the name, but I'm scared to fall. So icy. All right, let's go inside to the shipping office. Sorry, go ahead. You're okay. So, just kidding, guys. At the wrong place. She said this place has the same address as the rail yard. So, okay, slipping. So I guess we have to go to the rail yard. Apparently they have the same address. But, yeah. It's bad out here. They did not clean the highways at all. I don't know where the snow plows are, but they are not cleaning the highways, which is not nice. But like I said, we're gonna pick up this trailer and at least we have it. If we have to stop, we have to stop. So now we have to go into the rail yard, which is not fun.
Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed. Skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh.
Okay guys, so I found my trailer, right? So I don't know how I'm supposed to get it out because literally I backed up now, but this is how close they are. You see this? So basically in the front, that's how much room I have and I can't get in there. And then this guy said, do you want me to move the one in the front? And I said, yeah, but am I supposed to just like back in there sideways or something and take it out? Like, I don't know, because I don't pick up from here like that. So I don't know. You guys can let me know in the comments because I'm sitting here waiting for somebody and everybody keeps passing me, even though one guy said he was gonna come back and move it for me, but he hasn't been back and I've been here for 17 minutes waiting. And at this point I'm like, okay, I'm doing something wrong. So yeah. So guys, I kind of think that I was supposed to back in like kind of sideways, because that's what the guy did to move the other trailer, but whatever, I don't know any better.
Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heart be needed. Skipping out, no, I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
I'm on my own, broken and alone. I feel the rain crashing down all around this empty town. I'm searching for the lost and found, but you don't care, you're unaware. Keep moving like the scars aren't even there. It's in the air like a blazing flare. Don't stare 'cause the flames will burn us. I thought you were the one for me. That's why I gave you everything. Held you close by the stormy seas. Oh, you meant the world to me. I used to kiss your head when you cried for me. Hold your hand while the pain was over. Keep you warm by the roaring sea. You meant the world to me. Like shadows in the atmosphere, charting